How to choose the right LED bulb. Philips LED bulbs come in the same shapes, sizes, and bases as the bulbs you've been using for years, plus a range of other pure and elegant designs and light effects, from soft white to cool daylight. LED bulbs last around 15 times longer than traditional light bulbs. They use up to 90% less energy, significantly reducing your energy bill. This means you can just fit them and forget them without worrying about changing or paying for new bulbs. LED bulbs produce light that reflect colors truly and naturally, making everything vibrant and crisp instantly. And many of our LED bulbs are dimmable, so you can set the atmosphere to match your mood. Discover how LED can bring versatility and savings into your home. The right light is everything.